What do you think about the terrorist attack from last night in Paris?
Yeah, I just heard right now, so I am thinking it's a very bad, call for humans. As we are refugees and we are going to find a good way of our life, so it's not bad, as you can say, is difficult. If we are going there, there must be create problem for us, and what will I say is a very much, a big disgrace, as they did in Paris. That I just want to say.
Do you afraid of consequences right now?
Yeah, very much. Right now, I'm very afraid.
I'm coming here in Serbia right now, and I heard about the attack on Paris. So I think so it's very bad news, and we are going there. We want to go there in Paris for a good life, for a good lifestyle, for a good. There we are safe. But now you're telling me yesterday somebody attacked there, and 130 people die there. So it's a very bad news, and now we are afraid. We will go there or not, and that thing is very bad. The humans are not safe there. So
do you afraid of some consequences?
Yeah, right now. So thank you so much.